respecting the ways of your tūpuna with food, not showcasing it around, bringing it to town on if we were caught ever doing that, we'd get the hiding of our life. We grew up in Tahuna Road, Te Teko, where back in the day everybody had beef, everybody had pork. So if there was anything happening at the marae, nobody would ever ask, have you got a meat? It would just come. Hunting was the norm. We'd go, we'd catch the horses after school, and we'd leave in the afternoon to go up into the Matahina and Tarawera forest and hunt with one of our kraua, tūroa salmon. One of my favourite uncles, Joe, rangitakatu. And everything we sort of learnt in the bush added to what I was doing. Skinning venison, skinning pigs, singeing pigs, doing all sorts. You know, all these sort of things just were part of growing up to us. Getting eels, respecting the animal, as well as respecting the ngahere and respecting the ways of your tūpuna with food, not showcasing it around, bringing it to town on if we were caught ever doing that, we'd get the hiding of our life and probably not go for a hunt or do anything for a little while till we woke up.